To remove and replace the switch here, I'm going to start by adjusting the steering wheel all the way out and down. Well, I guess we'll have to move it up and down, but at least pull it all the way out. This will give you the most access to these two covers, which will have to get removed with a 7mm socket. You'll have 3 7mm headed bolts down here. There's 3 of them. And at this point, you can grab these two covers and just separate them just like this. You don't have to take them all the way out. Here's the switch that we're after. Let's unplug it. There's one connector. The second connector has a little tab that you have to lift up here on the connector itself. And then at this point, all you have to do to remove this is there's a little locking tab at the bottom and one at the top. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver. You can use whatever you have, and push the bottom one up and the top one down, and the switch comes right out. There you have it. Take your new one, slide it in, make sure it clicks, just like that. Reconnect the 2 electrical connectors. Now we can put this back together, line it up on both sides, make sure that this cutout goes around the switch. Okay. Lock it in, 3 screws in on the bottom. Perfect. And now you can give it a test if you want to, readjust your steering wheel, and there you go.